shallow. Kill. Finish kills. Good job, boys. Good job. Now come back. I want you to come back. Come down the hill and spread downhill. Spread downhill. Yo, ready now. Yo, step up now. Everybody step up. 7 seconds. We're gonna engage. Yo, D-Tanks, you can hold them now. Try to grab everyone. Yo, north deep in 5, in 4, 3, 2. Wait, after the bedrock. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep now. Good fucking shit, boys. Yo, grab the kills, yo. Give me defensive here. Defensive. Good fucking defensive. Now come back southeast. The mage is gonna hurt. Yo, heal swash.
Squad sa bahay.
May ratter ta.
One shot.
Yeah, heal swash. Heal. Top up. Healer backline defensive. Good job, everybody. No one dies here, right? Ready now. Ready. Yes. I'm waiting for your cooldowns. Hold. Chill. All we need to do is chill.
Yung mga bomb spot na ano mo Curtis mo.
Okay,
They're
copy.
mounted up. Mounted up na yung map squad.
Chill. Anong HP na mage? Walang bawas. Come southeast, stay southeast. Ready, we're gonna return fire for quick. Ready. Support quick. Yo, west side, shallow in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. Come back east. Drop heals now. Defensive now. Gigantify. Yo, top up. We need heals. Come down the hill. Yo, reset the aggro. Yo, Equinox. Ano to, down lang?
Down ako.
Down sir.
Yo, holy, yung mga holy, one holy. Sino ba? Pure. Oh, wait. Hold now. Pure, secure na. Ali, you stay with me. Hold. Spread. Yo, drop duty here.
Engaging.
Yeah. Defensive here. Yo, counter in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here. Give damage here. Wipe these people here. Hold now. Kiss and double this one guy. Yo, hold now. Okay. Sturban naman.
Bahay nyo.
Wait. Stay with me, boys. Stay with me. May damage escalation yan. Yo, defend. Yo, counter west side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop kills here. Drop. Good job. Alright, just stay back for now. Right? Stay back for now. We reset our cooldowns. Quick, magpa-reset na kayo na cooldowns. Nagdi-basic na kayo. Come southeast. Spread here. Hold.
Pwede kay polymer.
Hold now. Ready. Pinapatay na ba ng pick? Yo, ready? Wait. They have 2 engages, alright? Yo, BS on the north. Be careful. Ay, hindi pala. Yo, ready. Hold. Hold here. They're gonna come. Wait. We play for counter. Yo, ready. Yo, get ready. Wait now. After the bedrock, 30 plus. Bakit ka andyan? Yami, get out. Heal the front. May damage escalation yan. Nasasaktan. Dinadala niyo sa amin yung damage. Ready. Yo, defensive now. Defensive. Yo, counter in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. North now. North. Keep it damage here. Center. Keep it damage. Kill people. Yo, si Sicius, na-knockdown. Tulungan nyo. Drop fucking duties, my boys. Yo, stay east side. Don't fucking... Yo, tangina, mag-heal nga.
May bomber sa likod.
Oo, nakita ko. Hold here, okay? Hold here, okay? Spread now. I want you to spread. Yung mga nabasagan, mag-real. Right? Hold here. Ready, northwest shallow in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Give me damage here now. Yo, come east side now. Come east side. Heal to the duty. Chill. We're good. We are fucking good, right? We're fucking good. Ready. Hold now, hold it. I'm gonna hit Arirang. I need you guys. I need my D-tanks to look on Revenant. They're on the north side. Ready? West side. We're gonna follow west side. Step up now. West side. 5, 4, 3, north, 2.
Bomber coming,
by the
bomber
tower,
coming.
by the tower now. Walk, come back. Ready defensive. Just come back. Yo, he's on the front line. Defensive now. Defensive front. He's up. Good job.
Wala
Wow.
akong masabi. Hindi ako makasito.
Fine. He's up. Yo, he's on Yui. Yo, come down nga. Revive si Cream. Nice. Victorian. Ano to? Fucking hell. Bakit andito to? Paki-find niya nga yan. Hold. Kiss and double unit, guys. Yo, spread out here. Ready? On the stance. Wait. Hold now. On the stance, west side. Wait. West side in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West side now. Give me damage here. Now come back fast. Come back fast. Come back fast. Good job.
Marami
Yo,
na
ready
babasagan
defensive.
sa inyo.
Yeah. Ready defensive. Yung mga nabasagan, umuwi na. Ready defensive. Umuwi kayo, tapos bumalik na kayo agad.
Ano na yun? Pwede na. Direct yun eh.
Oh. Yo, wait. They're looking at us, right? BS is gonna look at us. Wait now. Kowa lang mag-engage. Wait, I'm gonna... Yo. Stay with me.
Patayin nyo ang aso nasa baba.
Oo. Tinitignan ko lang. Wait now. Yo, ready, defensive front. Yo, west side, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep now. Give me damage here. Yo, come back fast. Kill this hold. Roll the hold. Hold inside. Yo, come back. Come back. Kill Equinox. Heal my front. Kill Equinox. Good job.
Ay, bomb yan!
Fine. Yo, wag nyo na habulin. Just keep healing, right? Yo, get ready. Yo, brawl distance here. Hold. Okay. Hold here. Ready? Wait. Yo, come back east. Spread. Spread now. Hold here with me.
Just sir, yung engage natin sa mage muna, 66k na lang.
Okay. Copy. Ay, ina-engage yan kasi nila.
46k. Okay lang sir. Ayan, wait na yung ngayon.
Okay. Wait. Yo, D-tanks. Pasabi yung D-tanks mag-hold north ha. Engage tayo sa after nyan. Yo, spread. Yo, spread. Wait. Defensive now. Yo, on the mage. Southwest in 5, 4, 3. No, never mind. Cancel. Come back east. Maingit dyan yung PP. Come back east. Use up. Wait. Unspread. Heals on Sturban. Sturban, huwag ka maglalim. Spread here. Yo, kiss and doubles on the tanks inside. Grab them, boys. Grab them. Yo, Hodge is gonna look. Ready defensive. Yo, ready. Defensive now. Yo, after the GA. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Center now. Give me damage here. More damage. Yo, come back east.
Demon, tayo mag-pump ng hours.
Motherfucker naman. Oh, kill this guy. Hold. Spread here. For those who there, you're gonna come back. Yo, kill this one guy. Yo, ready. Spread now. Spread out. They're gonna come. Wait, defensive now. Stupid motherfuckers. Ready. Northwest shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me, boys. Big clump here. Ready defensive now. They're countering. Motherfuckers, where are my healers?